Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to use voice chat in World of Warcraft, and let's get straight into the video. So all you have to do is simply open up Battle.net, go to games, go to installed, and then look for World of Warcraft, left click on it and then hit the settings or hit the options icon. Then go over to game settings and then go down to voice chat. Now, voice chat will be right here. You have the option to either use open mic or push to talk. And if you select push to talk, the push to talk keybind will be right here, which you can also change. And you can also test your microphone right here as well. You can also change like your output and input device. But anyways, that is it. That is how to use voice chat in World of Warcraft. You can change the settings here. You can also do it in game, but it is also easier to do it here as well. And there's also a toggle mute key. But anyways, once you're done with everything, you have the right keybinds, you have the right headphones set in, you can go ahead and hit done, and then you are good to go and hit play, and you're good to go. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.